Hello friends, in this video I am discussing the system of equations by using tricks. This question asked in Maharashtra set 2017 in a mathematical sciences paper. I give the simple trick to solve the any system of equation within 5 seconds. Normal students do like this. Normal students consider the apply the method one, that is theory method. Normal students applying theory method, that is they considering argumented matrix A and B. Here A is coefficients of xy and B is constants. Then First condition, if you have to reduce this argumented matrix, then rank of A not equal to rank of argumented matrix, that is no solution, that gives no solution. And if rank of A equal to rank of argumented matrix, that gives two possibilities. One is uh, one is unique solution, and another one is infinite many solutions. Infinite many solutions. If number of variables, if rank of A equal to rank of argumented matrix, that equal to number of variables, that is n, number of variables n, that gives the unique solution. If rank of A equal to rank of argumented matrix, that not equal to number of variables, that gives the infinite many solutions. But this takes very time taking process. I am not interested to use this method because this is a time taking method. I give the second method, that is trick method, to evaluate any system of equations within 5 seconds. This trick is useful to many competitive exams like IIT JAM, IIT JEE, and NBHM and MSc entrance exams and CSR net and many competitive exams. This trick is very useful to save your time in the exam. This is the result. I give the solution of the system of equation. This is the trick. You consider the argumented matrix AB. This is the general form. We consider the coefficient matrix, that is A, and B is constants. This coefficient matrix of x, y, z. This is the coefficient matrix of x, y, z. This is the general form. If the determinant of this matrix, this equal to determinant of this matrix is equal to 0, not equal to 0, that gives the unique solution. If determinant of carefully observe what I am told. If determinant of this matrix, this coefficient matrix, not equal to 0, that gives the unique solution. If determinant of this coefficient matrix equal to 0, then you have two possibilities. One is infinite many solutions, and another one is no solution. We have two possibilities, that is one is infinite solution and another one is no solution. If this determinant equal to 0, then again we consider this determinant. We again consider 3 by 3 matrix. This determinant. We consider again this determinant, 3 by 3 matrix determinant. If you get this determinant also equal to 0, then the solution is infinitely many solution. If this determinant is not equal to 0, then we conclude that the solution is no solution. Now I am considering our problem. X plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 5, 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 5, and 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 9. we construct in form of argumented matrix AB. We have to take coefficient matrix of x, y, z 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4, 5, and constants 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 9, 5, 5, 9. Then we have to check the determinant of this matrix first. This 3 by 3 matrix. We check the determinant of this coefficient matrix. We get we solve the determinant. We get 0. Then we conclude that um, we conclude that now we conclude that the system has two possibilities. One is no solution, and another one is infinite Mealy solution. We again consider this determinant 3 by 3 matrix of this determinant. We consider again determinant of that 3 by 3 matrix 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, and 4, 5, 9. We take the determinant. We saw we get we solving we get minus 2, that not equal to 0. Therefore we conclude that the system is no solution. You see that option in Q solution wrong, option B is no solution. This is the correct answer. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.